Watson, Pro Trainer. I'm here with the Desire Company, and I want to talk about the TRX suspension trainer. I've been using the suspension trainer for 10 years now. I can actually say that I've really improved my movements, my mobility, my strength. I use it with all of my clients, and it's something that you'd be really shocked to find is this beneficial. I would never have a gym, home gym, or anything without one of these. It's affordable. It's around $120 to $150 depending on the model that you get, but again, something that you can do so much with. You just have to learn, educate, watch videos and learn about the different movements and exercises you can do with this. But I used to think, oh, well, if you need to get stronger, you need to get bigger, I need some dumbbells, some barbells, whatever. But that is so far from the truth. And this thing has taught me that lesson. Not only do they have a great product, they have great certification courses. There's suspension training, they have group training, they have functional training courses. Every one of those courses is going to teach you how to use this piece of equipment, but also, some of the best and highly recommended courses I've taken in all my years as a trainer. Get the suspension trainer, take one of the courses, learn how to use it, and rather than go and spending thousands of dollars on all these other, heavy weights, get one of these and you'll be very happy that you did. I promise you're going to love it.